Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll take you along with me to see what we, our little crew, are up to when we go out there to fly some FPV, to have a good time and just share the experience with you. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. As you can see, we have brought a lot of different drones here. The car is literally packed with all sorts of different quads, so it should be a fun day ahead. Check out this place. We just arrived at the ultimate Bando, and this is where we plan to stay for most of the day. We'll be flying here and hopefully we'll get some nice shots. I think it's a pretty nice place. I have a lot of ideas already. As you can see, we have quite the setup. Yeah, things all around, even this RC car. So it should be a great day. Hopefully not too many crashes, but we all know that's really not an option. Let's go. Okay, very high possibility of a crash, so let's see that. Diving from the back. Nice one, very nice. First casualty. What is it? 5 minutes of flying and we already have our first damaged drone. Let's go to the next one.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Unfortunately, things didn't really go as we had planned. We broke a lot of things, a lot of parts and components. I broke a motor, a lot of props, and luckily things are still fine. I have quite a few drones left so I can fly. Sometimes things like these happen, but yeah, I'll just have to adapt, and it's really part of the experience, like breaking things and things not working. Everyone has worked on their drones for quite a few minutes already because something is just not acting as it should. But that's the beauty of FPV. You're always tinkering with something, and you're always doing something on your quad to make it fly again. So yeah, it is a really nice place because it has so many gaps and so many things that you just want to try and go through, but it's taking its toll on our drones. But yeah, I'm having a blast.
After what I can only describe as a very eventful day, we headed out to one of the guys' villa where we put together a barbecue, we played some Gran Turismo and had a really nice meal with some drinks, a perfect way to end the day. Next morning it was time to get back on the road for another spot where we filmed this.
We just arrived at spot number 2, which is even more interesting than the first one because unfortunately we caught just the ending of the first competition which we went to see, and we just managed to get a couple of laps with our drones before the race actually ended. We just finished filming and we're now going to wrap up everything and get ready to go back home. I had a blast this weekend crashing my drones and filming all sorts of different things, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style of video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Take care and goodbye. We had some technical difficulties with the new camera from iFlight.